Lysa Robo-advisor for investing honest review. Watch before using. Lysa is a prominent robo-advisor operating primarily in the Nordic country, including Sweden, Denmark, Finland, with a user base exceeding 80,000 and assets under management surpass 1.5 billion euro. Lysa has established itself as a significant player in the region. And here are the key features about the investing planner of these features. So here are the key features. So it comes with a personalized investment plan. Lysa tailored investment strategy based on the individual goals and risk tolerance, offering global diverse portfolios that are automatically managed. And it also comes with a user-friendly interface. The platform is designed to ease of use, making it accessible to both novice and experienced investors, and it also comes with a low fee. So Lysa is known for its competitive fee structure, appealing to cost-conscious investor. And here is what you need to put into consideration for going for this investment plan. It comes with a geographical availability. So Lysa service are currently limited to Sweden, Denmark, and Finland, which may restrict access for investors outside this region. And also it comes with a limited direct review. So while Lysa has a substantial user base, there is a scarcity of direct use review and testimonies available online, making it challenging to assess user satisfaction comprehensively.